Hi, Helen from Twinkl. Our website is full of incredible resources, engaging video lessons and much more. Be sure to check it out. Today we're going to look at 2 World Ocean Day themed resources. We've got the World Ocean Day dot to dot counting in 2s and we've got the World Ocean Day counting in 10s dot to dot. Both resources feature 3 sheets, 1-star to 3-star, using our Twinkl differentiated system, 3-star being the most tricky. Counting in 2s or 10s, children have to join the dots. However, there are some dots that have incorrect numbers on, so they've got to make sure they concentrate really carefully. Not only does this improve children's counting skills, practice their multiplications of 2 and 10, it also practices their fine motor skills, making sure that they're carefully joining the dots. Once completed, children can pop on some music and do some mindful colouring. They could then cut out their sea creature, and this would make a fantastic under the sea display. You could use the completed sheets to inspire children to write some Ocean Day themed sentences. So, if you need something for World Ocean Day and counting, as well as some fine motor skills, we've got you covered. Go and check these resources out now. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye!